Hello there, have you ever wondered at what sales volume a company reaches the break-even point? More specifically, when this company adds advertising costs that are related to the amount of production quadratically? Well, today we're going to delve into this problem, breaking it down into smaller steps and solving it in a way that's easy to understand. First, let's examine the costs. The company in question has a fixed cost of 150,000 Indonesian rupiah. This is the cost that the company incurs regardless of the number of units it produces. On top of this, there's a variable cost of 50 Indonesian rupiah per unit. This cost changes depending on the number of units produced. Output. Now the company sells each unit of goods for 100 Indonesian rupiah. This is the revenue the company generates from selling one unit of its product. To find the break-even point, we need to balance the total costs against the total revenues. The total costs are the fixed costs plus the variable costs. The total revenues, on the other hand, are the selling price multiplied by the number of units sold. But there's a twist. The company also has advertising costs, and these costs are related to the amount of production in a quadratic manner. This means that the advertising costs increase at an accelerating rate as the production volume increases. The break-even point is where the total costs, including the advertising cost, equal the total revenues. To find it, we have to solve a quadratic equation. The equation is set up like this: fixed costs plus variable costs times the number of units plus the advertising costs equals selling price times the number of units. When we solve this equation, we find the number of units at which the company breaks even. In summary, to find the break-even point, we defined the total costs and total revenues. We then added the advertising costs that increase quadratically with the number of units produced. We set up a quadratic equation and solved it to find the number of units at which the company breaks even. This break-even point is crucial for the company to understand at what level of sales it starts making a profit. It gives a clear target for the company to aim for and helps in making important decisions like setting sales targets and planning advertising budgets. And there you have it, a step-by-step breakdown of how to calculate the break-even point for a company with quadratic advertising costs. So the next time someone asks you this question, you'll know exactly how to solve it.